Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how I clean my beauty sponges / beauty blender to get them almost like this. This is a brand new beauty blender. It's still little because I haven't wet it yet and it hasn't puffed up. It's a very vibrant pink. So even when I get this one, which originally was kind of lavender shade, I don't have the one like this. The original pink beauty blender has a lot of dye in it. So if you've seen how you squeeze it under your faucet and then a lot of pink runs down the sink, yeah. So I'm not going to have it as vivid as this, but I'm going to show you something I've been doing, and I'm also going to put to the test the new Beauty Blender Insta Clean. This is a waterless sponge and brush cleansing spray. I've tried it and I kind of don't want it. But I'm going to show you so you can see for yourself. And then I'm going to show you what I prefer. And yeah, so there have been so many Pinterest videos of this, so many hack videos of this, and blogs, and just, you know, yeah. And so a few of you have asked. And so what I thought I would do is share what I do, and yeah. So there is a method of the microwave and water and like Dawn dish soap, and I tried that and I felt like I didn't get the results that I do when I do it this way. And I have to give a shout out to my friend Nancy, who is a subscriber, but we kind of chat over social media. So much so that if I'm ever in her neck of the woods, I'm pretty sure we're meeting for a cocktail. So anyway, she was like, you have got to try Zoet Soap. Have you guys heard of this? This is from Amazon. I want to say it's made in Mexico. It is, I mean, this could very well be like full of lye and like cow fat. Sodium tallowate is the first ingredient. And the drawback of this product is the smell. It is so heavily scented like laundry soap. But I find that doesn't interfere with its effectiveness, or when I have my sponge clean with it, like I don't feel like it's irritating my skin. So I'm just letting you know, you're gonna open the package and you're gonna go, oh my gosh, this smells so strong of just fragrance and detergent, and don't let that frighten you. But let's talk about how this smells. This smells like Lemon Pledge. So brand new beauty blender, dirty beauty blender, kind of dirty beauty blender. Is this a beauty blender or is this a knockoff? I can't remember. They feel the same. It feels very similar. Flower beauty sponges. Filthy. Just filthy. You know? Yeah. So let's do something. Let's do Flower Beauty both with this and with this. And I will show you, this is my bar I have that I keep in my laundry room, and it fell in the cat bed. I know, I'm a dummy. So the reason I keep it in the laundry room is because it is originally laundry soap. I don't just use it for my beauty blenders. I actually use it for laundry. It's great to get stains out of ball caps. And if you scrub it with a brush and this, and then you let your cap soak, and then, yeah. Here is the Beauty Blender Insta Clean, and it says to spray directly onto the beauty blender or brush until stain is saturated. Sweep tool onto tissue or towel to remove residue, no rinsing needed. Okay, here we go. So here is Beauty Blender. I've got some tissues right here. I'm gonna just kind of do this. Woo! Okay, I take it back. It's not Lemon Pledge, it's Lavender Pledge. It's a very heavy lavender scent. It's kind of oily too. So I'm rubbing it. Let me get it. Ooh, yeah. Now, because I can't really use lavender directly on my face, I would totally rinse this. Yeah, and it does have an oily, it's very oily. So, really? I mean, to me, like, I don't normally do, this is brush cleaner to me, this isn't sponge cleaner. So I think for a sponge, it would do a good job. I mean, I think for a brush, it would do a decent job. Here's a brush. It's just, it's so greasy. I've never used a brush cleaner that's this oily. So, my preference in terms of the spray brush cleaner is the Sonia Kashuk. I get this at Target. This is 5 ounces for $20. This is 2 ounces for $20. I will show you the difference. I'm actually going to use that same brush so you can see what happens. I feel like one of those booths at the fair where I'm like, this one has a scent, but not as, it's powdery. It smells like a powder fragrance. And it doesn't have an oily residue at all. And I don't feel any need to rinse any of the tools after, where that beauty blender, oh, it says not to rinse, but man, oh man, does it leave a residue. So I feel like this works better. For less money, no residue, feels nice. This is a Wayne Goss brush, so it's nice. Okay, now I'm gonna rinse this and show you how the Zoet Soap works. I would do this over my bathroom sink. I take my damp, I basically, because I'm in my bathroom sink, so I'm just kind of running it under the faucet. But I'm just like rubbing it over. And I do have other brush cleaning soaps, solid brush cleaners. Beauty Blender makes one, Makeup Academy, Makeup Artist. What's the MUA one at CVS? I love theirs. This, just because it's probably such a heavy detergent based soap, I'm guessing, I don't know, it works better. It just really does work better to get the stains out. So I've got it, this is just, again, I would just be working this in my sink. You can kind of see the stains coming out. Sometimes they just don't come out 100%. Depends on how often you clean them before you use them before you clean them. I mean, it depends on pigment, like there's, but we're doing a pretty good job here, okay? Okay, so that's actually almost clean. I am going to rinse this so thoroughly. I'll be right back. Rinsed. I haven't wrung it out completely, but it does have, soap is out. And look, that is pretty good. That is pretty good. Where's the other dirty one? Come here, dirty one. Dirty, clean. Okay, I mean, that's pretty good. So this for me is just my favorite. It's most effective. I'm gonna clean this one now too. I have used this Zoet Soap for like my hand washing. I'll just kind of swish it around in my sink with some, I'll fill my sink basin with water and then just like swish the bar of soap around, get it soapy, get the little hand washables in there, So here it is, rinsed. You really can work it as much as you want. This white one doesn't seem to come. The Beauty Blenders never come like that, okay? I think it's, but I feel like I mean, this is pretty darn close, you know? Gee whiz. So I like to squeeze the excess out. Just work it until, I mean, if you want to continue just rubbing it over the soap and rinsing it and rubbing it, and feel free. To me, this is good enough for my face. So the Zoet Soap can be purchased on Amazon. Not sure if you have kind of any grocer or something in your area that would carry it on the shelf. I don't know. This is what I was talking about, like a solid brush cleaner. This is effective and can be used for both brushes and sponges. I just feel like I do get a better clean from the Zoet Soap, but if that's something you feel like, I'm not doing this, I want natural, I want apothecary. Okay, so there it is. That is how I do it. Like I said, there are a ton of ways to do this. There's a ton of information out there. This is what I've been using, and so I use this for my brushes to spot clean them here at my table. I do shampoo, you know, with soap, soap and water kind of thing, my brushes once a month, maybe more often than that, at my bathroom sink, and then let them dry. But you know, for the most part, when I'm just here at my table, I use the Sonia Kashuk, and then I use the Zoet Soap for my beauty blenders and sponges, and that is everything. So I hope that was helpful for you. I hope you subscribe to my channel. If you have been subscribed, thank you so much. And I hope you can give a thumbs up on this video, leave me a comment, and I will see you next time. Bye.